In Aberdeen, Scotland, a criminal is on the loose. A brazen thief strikes the same store every day.
Look at that little bastard, didn't pay a dime.
This is a seagull. He's smarter than 90% of the robbers.
Here we are, tiptoe inside, getting the chips. I love my chips. I got them. I got away before anyone's the wiser. I love them.
If you keep stealing, you'll be a jailbird.
Every day it's the same packet. It gives you the look every time when it's coming in.
Okay, what look?
Stop eyeballing me, clerk, or I'll buck your eyes out.
If you're gonna be a thief, it would be the bomb to have wings.
You'll never catch me, lad. I love him.
He's kind of a criminal, but he's kind of a Robin Hood, too.
More chips from the gull. Thank Christopher.
Stealing from the fat people to give to the birds.
Excuse me.
Piss off. Get away.
You're now being exposed for your life of crime.
Stop bothering me.
Do you have anything to say?
You'll never keep me from my chips. Freedom!
Be on the lookout for a seagull with orange crap around its face and a double chin. Likes the chips.
I think that most people should start dressing as seagulls when they do crime now, because it works.
I love me chips, lad.